Unearthing Africa's ancient food secrets beyond the humble potato. Welcome mad scientist organic growers. Are you ready to dig into some truly revolutionary information? Insights that could fundamentally reshape your understanding of food and its profound connection to the land? We all know potatoes, don't we? They are a familiar sight on our plates, a staple across continents, a seemingly ubiquitous part of our global diet. But what if I were to tell you that hidden in plain sight, nurtured for countless generations by traditional African tribes, there exist ancient, quite incredible crops? These are plants that not only rival but in many respects comprehensively blow the common potato out of the water. In terms of their robust nutritional profiles, their astonishing resilience to challenging climates, and indeed, their deep-seated cultural significance. And in this video we are going to uncover some of these remarkable hidden gems. But before we embark on this voyage of discovery, if you're as passionate about organic growing and uncovering nature's most profound secrets as I am, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the Mad Scientist Organic Grower channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future groundbreaking discoveries. Amadumbe, the versatile heart of the wetlands. Our first subject of exploration takes us to the verdant, life-giving wetlands of southern Africa. Here, thriving in the moist, fertile soils, we find a remarkable herbaceous perennial root crop known locally as Amadumbe, or perhaps more widely recognized by the name taro. The Amadumbe plant, with its large, heart-shaped leaves, presents a striking figure against the backdrop of its lush environment, hinting at the treasures concealed beneath the soil. The cultivation of Amadumbe is an art refined over generations, a practice deeply embedded in the agricultural traditions of the region. These tubers are the true prize, a source of incredible versatility in the kitchen. Imagine, if you will, the transformation of this humble root, from a hearty, warming porridge that provides comfort on a cool morning, to delightfully crispy chips that offer a satisfying crunch, a testament to its adaptable nature. Amadumbe is far more than just a culinary ingredient. It is a cornerstone, a staple in many traditional diets across southern Africa. These tubers are absolutely packed with complex carbohydrates, providing a slow, sustained release of energy that fuels communities throughout their day. Furthermore, beyond the sheer calorific value, Amadumbe is a notable source of dietary fiber. The presence of significant fiber also helps in moderating blood sugar levels, making it a more balanced source of carbohydrates compared to some highly processed alternatives. The texture of the cooked Amadumbe corm can range from floury to waxy, depending on the specific variety and preparation method, offering a spectrum of culinary possibilities. From stews and relishes to roasted preparations, its presence on the plate is both comforting and deeply satisfying, a taste of the earth itself. Amaranth Morogo, the vibrant leaf of life and resilience. Our journey now takes us from the moist wetlands to lands that often face the harsh realities of sun and scarce water. Here we encounter a truly remarkable plant, amaranth, known in many parts of Africa by the evocative name Morogo. Amaranth is more than just a visual spectacle, it is a nutritional superstar, a leafy vegetable that has sustained communities through its sheer generosity and hardiness. The leaves of the amaranth plant are the primary focus when consumed as Morogo. Tender when young, yet robust, they are prepared in a myriad of ways, often simmered with other vegetables, groundnuts, or spices to create a delicious and highly nutritious relish. What makes amaranth or Morogo a nutritional superstar, you might ask? Well, its profile is quite astonishing. It boasts exceptionally high levels of protein for a leafy green, a critical nutrient for growth and repair. Furthermore, it is a veritable treasure trove of vitamins, particularly vitamin A, essential for good vision and immune function, and vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Perhaps one of amaranth's most crucial characteristics, especially in the context of a changing climate, is its incredible drought resistance. This resilience makes it an incredibly reliable and vital food source in arid and semi-arid regions, a green lifeline when rains are unpredictable and water is a precious commodity. The ease with which it can be cultivated, often growing vigorously with minimal intervention, makes it an accessible source of nutrition for many households, contributing significantly to food security at a local level. Bambara Groundnuts, the subterranean powerhouse. Our quest for nature's hidden treasures leads us to the Bambara groundnut, a unique, nutritious crop that thrives in harsh conditions. It offers a complete protein package and remarkable drought tolerance, a cornerstone of food security in arid regions. truly a subterranean powerhouse. We now turn our attention to a root crop that is, quite simply, a lifeline for millions across the African continent: cassava. Also known as manioc or yucca, this remarkable plant is a true staple, a cornerstone of diets in many African countries, revered for its sheer productivity and its astonishing resilience in the face of adversity. Cassava is not a plant of delicate disposition. It is a survivor, a provider that asks for little but gives generously in return, its starchy roots offering sustenance where few other crops can gain a foothold. The primary allure of cassava lies in its rich carbohydrate content. The swollen, tuberous roots are a concentrated source of calories, providing essential energy for vast populations. In regions where food security is a constant concern, the ability of cassava to produce a substantial harvest, even in less than ideal conditions, makes it an invaluable asset. It is the engine that powers communities, the bedrock of many a meal, ensuring that hunger is kept at bay. What is particularly noteworthy about cassava is its remarkable adaptability. It thrives even in poor, infertile soils where other crops would struggle to yield anything meaningful. This tolerance for marginal lands means it can be cultivated in areas that are otherwise unsuitable for intensive agriculture, expanding the food production capacity of a region. Furthermore, cassava exhibits a high degree of resistance to drought. While it appreciates moisture, it can withstand prolonged dry periods, its leaves remaining green and its roots continuing to develop, albeit more slowly. The cultivation of cassava is relatively straightforward, another factor contributing to its widespread adoption. It is typically propagated from stem cuttings, which readily take root and establish new plants. This ease of propagation allows farmers to quickly expand their cassava plots and share planting material within their communities. Chapter 5. Enset, the false banana, a multi-purpose marvel of Ethiopia. Our exploration now takes us to the highlands of Ethiopia, a region of breathtaking beauty and unique agricultural traditions. Here we encounter Enset, the false banana, a multi-purpose marvel. Enset provides sustenance, fiber and animal feed deeply interwoven with Ethiopian culture. Unlike true bananas, Enset is cultivated for its pseudostem and corm. These parts are processed into kocho, a staple food. Enset's high yield and drought resilience make it vital for Ethiopian highlands. Chapter 6. Fonio, the ancient grain of resilience and nutrition. In the arid Sahelian and savanna regions of West Africa, we find fonio, an ancient grain. Known as hungry rice or acha, fonio is a nutritional powerhouse. It thrives in poor soils and matures quickly, making it vital for food security. Fonio is a symbol of resilience and cultural heritage in West Africa. Chapter 7. Sweet potatoes. The indigenous powerhouse of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes, especially the orange-fleshed varieties, are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in beta-carotene which our bodies convert to vitamin A. Indigenous to Africa, they have been cultivated for centuries and are vital in traditional diets. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. Sweet potatoes are also adaptable to various climates, making them resilient in African agriculture. Their leaves are also consumed as a nutritious green vegetable. Utro, a harvest of hope, embracing indigenous wisdom for a nourished future. These incredible indigenous crops, from the versatile Amadumbe to the vitamin-rich sweet potato, are far more than just alternative food sources. They represent a profound narrative about food security, a testament to sustainability achieved through generations of careful observation and practice, and a deep, abiding respect for the incredible agricultural wisdom of traditional African tribes. They offer us a pathway, a tangible route towards a more resilient, more diverse, and ultimately, a more nourished future for every single one of us on this planet. The journey through Africa's botanical treasures reveals a tapestry woven with resilience, nutrition, and cultural richness. These plants are not relics of a bygone era. They are living solutions perfectly attuned to their environments, holding keys to some of our most pressing global challenges. If you're as inspired by these amazing crops as I am, and perhaps interested in learning even more about their unique qualities, or even how you might cultivate some of them in your own organic garden, please do let me know in the comments below. Your curiosity fuels our exploration, And of course, don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful. Subscribe to the Mad Scientist Organic Grower channel for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world, and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know about our exciting new discoveries. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep experimenting with the boundless possibilities that nature offers. Mad Scientist Organic Growers, mad love, peace out.